Any way I can make noise, will end up being one of the instruments that I use. When I've exhausted all the possibilities of performing that instrument, then I move on and make another one. A lot of my work involves sound installations, either that I make myself or with collaborators or with my collective Postcommodity. Postcommodity is a collective of American Indian artists based in the Southwest, and most recently we have installed works at Documenta 14 and the Whitney Biennial. Lately, a lot of our work has been focusing on the US-Mexico border, and especially how that affects the indigenous people who live in the area, and also the identity of people on both sides of the border and how they might relate to themselves as indigenous people. While here at the Academy, I'm going to be working on a few projects, a lot of writing about music, some of that being the role of sound at the Standing Rock protests that happened in 2016 and 17 in North Dakota, and also some composing for different chamber ensembles, mostly based in the States.